Welcome to AI Traders live market analysis using artificial intelligence to find high probability trades. In today's AI Traders Live episode, we'll be looking at the NASDAQ 100 and the S&P 500 index from an ETF perspective. We'll be looking at the QQQ and the SPY ETFs that mimic these two major indices. Here's a brief disclaimer. I'm Richard Miller and I'll be presenting today's AI Traders Live show. In addition to the TQQ, the QQQ and the SPY ETFs, we'll be looking at the 3 times leveraged ETF, the TQQ, as well as the 3 times leveraged ETF of the SPY ETF, the UPRO. We use 4 artificial intelligence engines: major market reversals, classic swing trades, volatility breakouts, and quick 3-day moves. Now, these 4 strategies cater for different time frames. Whether you're a swing trader or a position trader, each one of these can offer you trading opportunities. Now, a brief tip of the iceberg explanation how the AI works. The AI does 10 to the power of 200 different possible combinations of stock market indicators and market relationships using neural networks, genetic algorithms, and fuzzy logic. So what the AI does, it takes every single technical indicator with every single setting and combines them together and eliminates the weak trades and only focuses on the high probability trades, the highest, those technical trading strategies or combination of technical strategies that's got the highest probability of success. And that brings us back to these 4 artificial intelligence engines: major market reversals, classic swing trades, volatility breakouts, and quick 3-day moves. Now, jumping straight into the MetaStock platform, where we've got the Fulgent AI engine loaded, and we're going to look at the QQQ and the SPY ETF. Got the Fulgent AI engine loaded. It sits on the MetaStock platform. I've got the ETFs loaded. Now, interestingly, just to recap quickly, the AI engine that we're using has been trained over thousands of data points for these ETFs, and the trading statistics. The major market reversal strategy is on average 78% accurate, with an average profit per trade of 6.6% over the testing period. Now, this is over thousands of trades. The quick move is on average 71% accurate, 1.3% average profit per trade. Now, the quick move strategy in on day 1 and you're out on the 3rd or 4th day. So it's a very quick swing trade strategy. The swing trade strategy, this strategy you can hold something for days to weeks even. That's 71% accurate, average profit per trade of 3.8% over thousands of trades. And the volatility breakout is about 52% accurate, 1.2% average profit per trade on average over the testing period. So once again, this is over thousands of data points that we've done and thousands of trades. So we take great comfort in the fact that we know that this is a high probability trade setup. Now, just jumping straight into the individual charts. I've got the SPY ETF up on here. Now, fortunately, we did miss the January correction because the last volatility breakout, we captured a nice little rally in December, and then it hit the trailing stop, and then the market tanked soon after that in January. Now, February, a little bit of a rally there. Now, what's interesting, we've got a volatility breakout, but do note how wide the stop loss is on the SPY, 425, just above 425. So we've got a volatility breakout here. The upside resistance targets would be these highs there. So that's kind of the trade setup. This is the trailing stop loss. It's a volatility adjusted stop loss. So the AI incorporates the volatility there. It's a volatility breakout signal on the S&P 500, and it looks like so far so good in terms of this particular trade. Now, great trade setup on the UPRO. That's the 3-time leveraged ETF for the S&P 500. Also a very wide stop loss here. You can obviously see it's accommodating that very wide volatility there. And we've got a swing trade set up here. The last one worked out beautifully. So the upside resistance targets would be these old highs there, as well as that high up there. So these are the upside potential profit targets with your trailing stop here at 48, just around the $48 zone. That's for the UPRO. It's the 3 times leveraged S&P 500 ETF, SPY ETF. Let's take a look at the QQQ, the NASDAQ 100 index, basically ETF. We've got a volatility breakout currently. There's a fresh signal there with a trailing stop here just around 330. Around the 330 level, incorporates the volatility. Great little trade there set up. Upside resistance targets would be these old highs there, that cluster of high there. So it will be interesting to see if we're going to get through these levels. But so far so good. A fantastic trade setup, volatility breakout coming. And we can see you've got to be quite quick with these volatility breakout. The last one, October, worked out beautifully. December one worked out briefly. That one worked out not so quite. It did hit the trading stop, and then the market tanked in January. So you did miss the big drop in January. So you can also use the sell signals of the AI to maybe go short in a particular trade. Trade setup for the NASDAQ 100 QQQ ETF. Now jumping into the TQQ, the 3 times leverage ETF, the NASDAQ 100 QQQ ETF. We had a nice little swing trade there back in the beginning of end of January. That hit the trailing stop, and then we've got a new swing trade. And note how wide the AIs put the trailing stop loss just below the $38 level. So we've got a new swing trade signal on there in the market. And the upside resistance targets would be these old highs there of 63.41, and then this cluster of support there. So that's the upside potential there with a very wide volatility adjusted stop loss. But so far so good. Captured some great moves using artificial intelligence in the market. Also missed the January Boxing Day or January sales, the market correction in January. So far so good. The artificial intelligence engine is working really great. We've captured some nice previous moves in this run-up last year. So absolutely fantastic returns using artificial intelligence. That brings us to the end of this edition of AI Traders Live, covering the QQQ and SPY ETFs. If anybody wants to get your hands on your own AI, hang on for the next section where I introduce you to the way to sign up for the software. For everybody else that's regular viewers of the show, thanks for watching, and join me next time for more artificial intelligence trading. Bye for now. If any traders wants to get their hands on having your own artificial intelligence engine, go to metastock.com/alphaharvest 3 for 1. We've got a fantastic buy 3 months for the price of 1 deal on at the moment, and you can try it out and see if the artificial intelligence engine fits your trading style. metastock.com/alphaharvest 3 for 1. This is what the landing page looked like. We've got a 3 months for the price of 1 deal. Whether you're taking the artificial intelligence engine on a end of day basis, this side, or the real time, if you do high frequency intraday trading, we've got 2 options for the buy 3 months for the price of 1 deal on MetaStock platform. Thank you once again for watching, and join me next time for more artificial intelligence trading. Bye for now.